Now, if you're dealing with some stripped bolts like this one and this one, basically the stock screws are very flimsy and low quality, so I purchased the upgrade with the M-Carbo carbon steel screws, and I'm changing these out, but I got stuck here not being able to pull this out. I've tried many different things, so I ordered one of these easy out screw extractors. Let's see if I could get it out finally using this thing. So just basically you just have to go in reverse with these. Definitely shaved a hole in there. Now let's see if it will come out. Okay, so I got my hole in there. And unfortunately this will not do anything. It has nothing to grip onto. I've tried almost everything to take out these factory screws and nothing's worked. I've tried extractors, I've tried different tools, I've tried multiple strip screw extractors. Nothing seems to work, so I've reached my last resort and I'm going to use this circular saw to cut a notch into this screw, so I'm able to use a flathead screwdriver and take this screw out once and for all. Let's see how this goes. Sparks are definitely flying. That didn't do much except strip the screw on the side. It didn't make a notch as I wanted. Let's give this screw extractor a shot. We almost had it there. Let's try a thicker one. Nope. Let's try a thinner one. Just keep spinning in place. Try this one. Finally got it. This is basically how stripped the screw was. So we have to be really careful with these Kel-Tec screws. They're very, very sensitive and weak. So anything will easily strip the screw, and as you saw, it took me a long time to get that back out.